Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain to you how you can build an AI chatbot for GoHighLevel. So let's jump right into it. Step 1. Sign up on ChatMaxima. First, head over to chatmaxima.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can manage bots, integrations, and more. Step 2. Connect your GoHighLevel account. Next, from the left sidebar, click on Integrations and choose GoHighLevel. To connect, you'll need your GoHighLevel API key. Simply paste it in and authorize the connection. This will allow your chatbot to sync directly with your GoHighLevel CRM and workflows. Step 3. Create a new chatbot. Now go to the Bots section and click on Create Bot. You'll have the option to either start from scratch or use a pre-built template. Give your bot a name that reflects its purpose, then move on to designing the conversation flow. Step 4. Design the chat flow. Use ChatMaxima's Visual Flow Builder to map out your chatbot's conversation. You can add messages, questions, quick replies, lead capture fields, and even conditional logic. Try to keep the flow smooth and interactive. This is where you define how your bot interacts with users step by step. Step 5. Embed the chatbot into GoHighLevel. Once your bot is ready, head to the Embed section, where you'll get an HTML code snippet. Copy that code and go into your GoHighLevel funnel or website. Add a new custom HTML element and paste the code inside your chatbot will now appear live on your site.